Probably a good time of the year to do videos.
You gotta get one of those cameras that sits on your shoulder. This thing is
A little GoPro.
hard on the shoulder.
Jesus. Hard on
Okay,
the shoulder.
people, now he's gonna throw some tape in there. Look at how he stuck it to the ceiling like he knows what he's doing. See, now we know that piece will fit.
Tried to take my commentary, Josh.
I know they edit that in later.
Oh yeah.
Don't mind his butt crack. No, edit that out. No, I'm just saying for later.
Just a little sound bite for later. Butt crack.
See, he's got his Holmes by Hamilton sweatshirt on.
Yeah.
He doesn't buy those for his employees. Those are special made for family members only.
Glad you understand.
Oh, so heavy. And we pull all the mud out that we can pull out. Leave very little mud in there. If you leave a bunch in there, it's not gonna seal. It's gonna shrink and crack. No cracking.
No crack.
Crack is whack. See that bubble he's got in there? You pull that out. Under 3 minutes.